Hello students. In this module, we'll explore fundamental ICT terms and concepts. Understanding these basics is crucial for mastering advanced topics and applying ICT effectively in academics, careers, and beyond. Let's dive into the essentials. At the heart of ICT are two foundational concepts: data and information. These terms may seem interchangeable, but they have distinct meanings. Data refers to raw, unprocessed facts and figures. It could be anything from a list of numbers to text entries in a spreadsheet. For example, a collection of daily temperatures recorded over a week is data. Information is processed data that has been organized, analyzed, or interpreted to provide meaning. Using the earlier example, calculating the average temperature from the data transforms it into useful information. Understanding the distinction between data and information is vital because ICT tools are designed to handle both. Tools like Excel process raw data, while Power BI presents it as actionable insights. Another critical concept in ICT is the database, a structured collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Databases are the backbone of most ICT applications, from social media platforms to e-commerce websites. Types of databases. Relational databases. These are the most common and organize data into tables with rows and columns. SQL structured query language is used to interact with relational databases. NoSQL databases. These are non-relational and handle unstructured data, such as text or multimedia files. Examples include MongoDB and Cassandra. Applications of databases. Online retail platforms like Amazon use databases to track inventory, process orders, and manage customer accounts. Universities use databases to store student records, course schedules, and grades. Mastering database concepts is essential for students in fields like computer science, data analysis, and business management. Raw data can be overwhelming, which is why data visualization is a crucial part of ICT. Data visualization transforms complex datasets into charts, graphs, and other visual formats, making it easier to identify trends and patterns. Why it matters. Simplifies complex information for better understanding. Facilitates decision-making by presenting data clearly. Tools for data visualization. Excel offers basic charting options, including line graphs, bar charts, and scatter plots. Power BI provides advanced visualization capabilities, such as dynamic dashboards and custom visuals. For example, a business might use Power BI to visualize sales performance across regions, identifying which areas need improvement. Networks are fundamental to ICT, enabling devices to communicate and share information. Here's a closer look. Types of networks. Local Area Network (LAN). A network that connects devices within a limited area, such as a home or office. Wide Area Network (WAN). A network that spans large geographical areas, like the Internet. Key components of a network. Routers. Direct data between devices on a network. Switches. Connect multiple devices within a network. Servers. Store and manage network resources. Networks are what make online communication, cloud computing, and remote work possible. Understanding how they function is essential for leveraging ICT effectively. In the digital age, cybersecurity has become a critical ICT concept. It involves protecting systems, networks, and data from cyber threats, such as hacking, phishing, and malware. Key principles of cybersecurity: confidentiality, ensuring that data is accessible only to authorized users. Integrity, protecting data from unauthorized modifications. Availability, ensuring that systems and data are accessible when needed. Common threats: phishing, fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information by pretending to be a trustworthy entity. Ransomware, malware that encrypts a user's data and demands payment to unlock it. Best practices: use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Regularly update software to patch security vulnerabilities. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading unverified files. As students and future professionals, understanding cybersecurity is essential for protecting personal and organizational data. To bring these concepts closer to home, let's consider how they apply to your daily life. Whether you're managing files on your laptop, collaborating on group projects through Microsoft Teams, or analyzing research data, these fundamental ICT terms play a role. For instance, when you save and organize project files in folders, you're essentially creating a simple database. When you use charts in PowerPoint to present data, you're employing data visualization. When you connect to the internet for research, you're relying on a network. These basics are the building blocks of ICT, enabling you to use technology effectively and confidently. By understanding basic ICT terms and concepts, you've taken the first step toward mastering this field. From data and databases to networks and cybersecurity, these elements form the foundation of ICT. As we progress through this course, you'll see how these concepts integrate into more complex applications and real-world scenarios. ICT isn't just technology, it's a gateway to progress. By mastering it, you open doors to endless opportunities in academics, careers, and beyond. Stay curious, and see you in the next module to continue this exciting journey.